We are.
All right, you two come on in here.
Yeah.
You're on the hot seat now.
Yeah, let's talk to them.
All right, we're going to see if Ridge will actually speak. Okay, so you're both, I'm going to give you the same question. You're now on the downhill side of Horseman's Mission Colt Starting Competition. What I want to know is what surprised you, what did you not expect? What surprised you the most this weekend? Okay?
Well, my horse surprised me. I don't know. I wasn't expecting him to be the way he was, but he surprised me how well he came around. I was really happy with how he came around.
Fantastic. All right, what surprised you the most?
How good the community is.
How good the community is. Boy, I got to second that motion. It's a great place to be. The people are so kind and so friendly, aren't they?
Amen.
Even if we tried to make Canada the 51st state while you were here, in general, it is such a great group of people. So while we're standing here waiting, what I want from you is, what is your biggest highlight right now? Nobody knows who won or lost. You're going to look back in 10 years. What is your biggest highlight from this weekend?
Ask him first.
No.
Oh.
I asked him first last time. Now it's your turn.
Oh, my biggest highlight. I gotta say, when I sat on my filly for the first time. That feeling, by far my favorite thing in the world.
When I saddled my filly for the first time, that's cool. All right, Ridge?
Just being able to be here and actually complete this. It was a very good experience to be here, and I'm very thankful for that.
That's cool. All right, 2 questions. What surprised you the most about the competition? And so I'll do that one first.
I mean, really, there's not really any surprises. Like, I don't know how to answer that, to be honest with you.
Okay. So when you look back, nobody knows who won or lost right now. When you look back in several years, what's going to be the highlight memory for you?
For me, it's going to be just saying thank you to Irma. I mean, honestly, I come here to start a colt in front of everybody. That's exactly what I wanted to do. But the purpose of coming here and doing this in front of people was to say thank you to her. So that's my answer.
Good for you. All right, that's a fantastic answer, and we appreciate that. That's one of the great things about being here, is observing the sportsmanship and the camaraderie in the whole building, right? Those are the things. Are you guys ready to announce? Are we ready to announce a winner? They're ready. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is the part of this job I absolutely hate. I don't like this at all, okay? So we're going to start in 3rd place, and then we will announce 2nd place, which then you will obviously know what is 1st place.
Hey, Kim, before you do that, we want to acknowledge that 3rd place award is coming to us from Circle R Leather. This is a beautiful head stall and breast collar. That'll be awarded to your 3rd place finisher. I'll go ahead and do this now because I know everybody's going to be screaming. 2nd place is going to be a saddle pad. That's from our friends at Weaver. Beautiful saddle pad. It says 2025 Colt Starting. 2nd place, and the Horseman's Mission. And, of course, the top prize is going to be the 1st place saddle from Miller's Saddlery. The leather for that saddle did come from our friends at Weaver as well. So to Miller's, to Weaver, and to Circle R, we say thank you. Thanks, Ken.
Okay, so with a total score of 874 points, our 3rd place winner is Tisha. Let's give her a round of applause. With a total score, I want to know what judge did this. With a total score of 930.5 points, our 2nd place win goes to Nathan. Ridge is our 1st place champion winner at 978 points. Come stand with your saddle. Come stand with your saddle.
Think God must be a cowboy at heart, 'cause he made wide open spaces from the start.
Let's get the judges in there.
He made grass and trees and mountains and a horse to be a friend, and trails to lead old cowboys home again.
Back and stand back so I can look tall.
Okay, now look at the camera there.
Which camera?
He's just a little boy. Thank you, everybody. With big dreams in his heart.
Once again, congratulations to our 3 champions, Tasia, Nathan, and Ridge. And again, thank you to the sponsors for the contribution for the saddle from Miller's Saddlery, the saddle pad from Weaver, and the headstall breast collar from Circle R Leather.
So a word for 2026 is, again, our grand finale. Every 4th year, we bring our first placers back. So, Ridge, you qualify to be back here next year for the 2026 Colt Starting Competition. With that will be, let's see, I got to think back 3 years. Daniel Chavez from Minnesota won 3 years ago. 2 years ago, Robert Mast. You'll be competing against Robert, and then Ridge. So those will be our 3 contestants for 2026. So we're looking forward to it for 2026. Congratulations, all of you. Remember what we said in our meetings. I want this for the 3 of you contestants. What we said this morning in our prayer meeting, we're all winners. We're all winners if we could chase after Jesus.